What if I told you there was a vehicle that could completely change how your family gets around? A machine that blurs the lines between a car, a motorcycle, and an e-bike, offering unparalleled freedom and efficiency. That future is almost here, and its name is the 2026 CUBE TRIKE Family Hybrid. Buckle up because we are about to dive deep into one of the most anticipated personal mobility vehicles of next year. First, let's talk design because the CUBE TRIKE Family Hybrid is an absolute head-turner. It features a sleek, futuristic tadpole trike layout with 1 wheels at the front and 2 at the rear, enclosed in a lightweight yet robust aerodynamic body. It is designed not just for looks but for purpose, with a focus on stability, safety, and weather protection. The cabin is a greenhouse of visibility, and the seating is plush and comfortable, designed to accommodate 2 adults and 2 children, making it a true family vehicle. The entire design philosophy is minimalist and smart, with integrated storage solutions and a compact footprint that makes parking a dream. Now, for the heart of the matter, the powertrain. This is where the hybrid name truly comes to life. The CUBE TRIKE is expected to be powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid system combining a moderate displacement internal combustion engine, think in the range of 300 to 400 cubic centimeters, with a powerful electric motor and a sizable battery pack. This setup aims to deliver the best of both worlds. For your daily short commutes, school runs, or trips to the store, you can run purely on electric power, producing 0 local emissions and near-silent operation. When the battery depletes or for longer journeys, the gasoline engine seamlessly kicks in to act as a generator, extending your range significantly and eliminating any range anxiety. While official horsepower figures are still under wraps, industry experts analyzing similar hybrid systems estimate a combined output in the ballpark of 20 to 30 horsepower. Now, that might not sound like much compared to a car, but remember, this vehicle is incredibly lightweight. This power is more than enough for spirited urban and suburban performance. We are expecting a top speed electronically limited to around 90 kilometers per hour, making it perfectly legal and safe for city streets and country roads. The acceleration will be brisk off the line, thanks to the instant torque from the electric motor, ensuring you can keep up with traffic flow effortlessly. Let's talk about that all-important battery. The CUBE TRIKE Family Hybrid is projected to feature a removable lithium-ion battery pack with a capacity likely between 2 to 3 kilowatt-hours. In pure electric mode, this should grant you a zero-emission range of approximately 50 to 70 kilometers on a single charge, perfect for the vast majority of daily needs. Charging is designed to be simple. You can plug it into any standard household outlet, with a full charge expected to take between 3 to 4 hours. The beauty of the hybrid system is that you never have to wait for a charge. If you are low on battery and need to go, just fill up the small gas tank and you are good for hundreds of kilometers. The driving experience is touted to be a revelation. With its low center of gravity and three-wheel stability, it should offer the leaning sensation and fun of a motorcycle with the security and ease of a car. Advanced features like regenerative braking, a digital dashboard with connectivity, reverse gear, and ample storage are all expected to be part of the package. It is designed to be accessible, requiring only a standard driver's license in most regions, and its enclosed cabin means you arrive at your destination dry and comfortable, regardless of the weather. So, when can you get one and for how much? The official expected release date is set for the second quarter of 2026. As for the price, positioning it against premium e-trikes and entry-level compact cars, the CUBE TRIKE Family Hybrid is estimated to have a starting price in the range of 10 to 15,000 euros. This makes it a compelling alternative to a second family car, offering drastically lower running costs, minimal taxes and insurance, and a tiny environmental footprint. The 2026 CUBE TRIKE Family Hybrid is not just a vehicle, it is a statement. It is a practical, efficient, and incredibly fun solution for modern urban living. It promises to redefine freedom for families, offering a smarter way to move. If this is the future of personal transportation, the future looks incredibly exciting.